Container throughput of the new international land sea trade corridor witnessed growth in the first 3 quarters of 2023, according to railway authorities in China's Guangxi. During this period, some 633,000 24 equivalent unit containers of goods were transported by rail sea intermodal trains through the corridor, up 14% year-on-year.
如今，通过西部陆海新通道铁海联运班列，东南亚国家的榴莲、芒果、山竹等生鲜水果被运到国内各大超市，丰富节日期间老百姓的餐桌。宁夏红酒、枸杞汁等国内产品也销往全球各地，助力畅通双循环。
Launched in 2017, the new international land sea trade corridor is a trade and logistics passage jointly built by provincial-level regions in Western China and ASEAN members. The trade corridor has developed rapidly over the years, covering 61 cities in 18 provincial-level regions in China and reaching 393 ports in 119 countries and regions.